how to remove credit card from PS4. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Hemi Jarvis. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove a credit card from your PlayStation 4 account. So be sure to watch this entire video all the way through. Follow what I do in this video step by step so that you don't miss any steps. I highly recommend that you watch this entire video because you don't want to miss any important steps, guys. But yeah, all you have to do is do what I do and you will be set. You will be good to go. You will be able to remove your credit card. Now, before I get into this video, let me just tell you guys that I do giveaways here on my YouTube channel. If you're interested in what I give away PlayStation. I give away PSN codes. All right. I give away Fortnite V-Bucks. So if you guys play Fortnite on your PlayStation and, you know, if you're interested in getting V-Bucks, I will be doing giveaways on this channel. I haven't done a giveaway in about a month, I believe. So I'm going to start getting back into doing giveaways here on this channel. But basically, I just wanted to let y'all know that. Now, one more thing I want to say is if this video helped you out at all, could you please be sure to give it a thumbs up, because a simple thumbs up will help my channel grow, and the more my channel grow, the more I can provide more content for you guys. All right, so let me show y'all how to do this. To remove your credit card from your PlayStation 4 account, the first thing you want to do, guys, this is step number one. Go up here to settings. You're going to click on settings. So click the settings button right now. You will get to the screen that looks like this. It will have all this stuff on it, you know. And once you click on this, the next thing step number two, the next thing you want to do is go into account management. All right. So go into account management. All right. So now that you went into account management, you will see this page here. All right. Now, dang, why is this camera looking blurry? Hold on, let me fix the screen. I don't like all that stuff on there. I should have did this on my Elgato, but, you know. Let me zoom out, see if it works. Yeah, so that look a little bit better. All right, so now that you're in account management, what you want to do next is you want to go here to where it says account information. Account information. You want to click on account information, guys. All right, so once you get in account information, you should be on a page that looks just like this. All right, once you get on this page right here, you're just going to scroll down until you see wallet. And you want to go inside of your wallet because the wallet is going to have your credit cards and stuff in store. So let me hit an X right there on wallet. All right, and as you can see, your wallet, you'll be able to come over here to where it says payment method. All right, click on payment method. And they're going to ask you to put in your passcode. Now, the passcode is basically the code that you use to create your account, your PlayStation 4 account. So basically, you're just going to go up here. You're going to put that code in. Let me see. Well, I can't show y'all my code, so I'm just going to do this. Hold on just for a sec. Let me just do this for a sec. I'm going to be right back with you guys. 1 second. All right, because I don't want anybody to know my code, so it only take a second. And while y'all not looking right now, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel because I will be doing some giveaways. Let me see. Okay, I think I got it. Yeah, hopefully this is it. Okay, so I just put in this passcode here. So do that on your account right now. Again, guys, your passcode should be the code that you use to create your account. All right, so you put in the passcode and you go here to where it says continue. All right, I'm gonna click continue. As you can see, it shows you all of your credit cards that are on file. I have this MasterCard here on file right now. And so that's the card that I'm gonna be deleting from my account. Now, again, y'all want to make sure y'all follow the steps, step by step, do everything like I'm doing, and you should be able to delete the card off of your PlayStation 4 account as well. So right here, you can add a payment account. You can add a credit card if you want to add one, but we want to delete one. So we're simply going to go here to this tab where it says, you know, go to your card, basically. So go right there. And then it says edit card information. Update your card information. This is where you can just put a different card if you want to do that, or you can just update the card information. Hold on. Yeah, so as you can see, you can just update everything. But what I want to do is we want to delete a card, all right? So we're going to come down here to this tab where it says delete. And as you can see, once you delete, it says delete. Are you sure you want to remove this card, this payment method from your account? You just simply going to go to yes, yes, and boom, the card is now gone. All right. All right. So that is how you delete your credit card from your PlayStation 4 account. All right. Now, I hope if this video helped you out even a little bit, be sure to give it a thumbs up. A simple thumb up will help my channel grow. And once this channel reaches 100,000 subscribers, guys, I will be trying to do giveaways every single week on this YouTube channel. All right, so every single week, meaning if you guys play Fortnite, let me show y'all. If y'all play Fortnite or anything like that, I'm going to be giving away free V-Bucks. And for the people who play, all right, so Fortnite, I'm giving away free V-Bucks. All right, and the way I do my giveaways is I go live on my YouTube channel here, and I simply turn around the card and scratch it off right here live on YouTube. All right, so that's the way you can get free V-Bucks. So anybody that's quick enough to put it in and redeem the code, that's the person that get it. And I just want to tell y'all that I also give away PSN codes. So if you're interested, stay tuned. And one reason that you would want to subscribe to this channel is because when the PlayStation 5 come out, I will be like one of the first channels. Well, I ain't gonna say the first channel, but I will be definitely getting it as soon as it hits the store, and I will be uploading videos to this channel. So tune in for that. But again, let me show y'all one more time just in case y'all didn't understand how to delete the card. I'm gonna try to sound a little clearer. So you just simply, step number 1, you go to settings. Step number 2, account management. Step number 3, account information. You go to account information, right? And it loads up, and okay, now you want to go to a wallet, because the wallet is where your credit cards are stored. You want to go to payment methods, and you want to go to add a credit card. And this is where you put your credit card information and stuff like that. But right here is going to be where you delete your credit card. All right. But since I already deleted the credit card, it says you can add a credit card. All right. So with that said, I'm done with this video. What I want to tell you guys is thank you for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. I highly recommend that you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos about PlayStation or Xbox. Just to show you guys a little setup. Well, I'm gonna show y'all my setup in a different video. I don't want to make this video too long, but let me see if I can grab this card for you guys. I want to show y'all exactly the cards that I'm talking about. All right, I hope I didn't take too long. Sheesh. All right, so these are the cards that I say that I give away on my channel here. This is an Xbox card, but I also do the PSN cards. I couldn't find the PSN card, so I grabbed anyone that I could find. As you can see, they got these little codes on the back here. What I do is I go live on my YouTube channels. I scratch these codes off, and if you guys are quick enough to redeem the code, then you're able to get, you know, for example, if I gave this card away, whoever redeems this in their Xbox first will be the person to get 3 months of Xbox Live, all for free, guys. So that's one reason that I say you guys want to be subscribed to the channel, because when I go live on my YouTube channel and I do a giveaway, this is how I'm going to do it. I'm simply going to turn the card around and scratch the code off. So I just wanted to show y'all that before y'all get up out of here. Again, this is the video on how to remove a credit card from your PlayStation 4 account. I hope it was helpful. If it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Also, guys, subscribe. Let's get this channel to 100,000 subscribers, 100,000 likes. I appreciate you guys for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.